Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I will be unboxing the new AirPods 4 with active noise cancelling. It even says on the back of this box, AirPods 4 with active noise cancelling. So I've actually never had this I've never had these AirPods before. These are completely brand new. Apple just released them like a week ago. I've heard so many good reviews. Apparently sound quality is better than the 3rd gen, I'm pretty sure. Anyways, let's unbox it. Yeah, Apple logo on both sides there. Cover up the serial number, but it says there's your model number and AirPods name and all that. So on the back you've got these little peel tabs. Let's peel them. There's one. Let's peel the next one. It can be a little bit tricky, but you can. There you go, there's the second one. Let's open up the box. Hopefully it should be... Oh, that was pretty easy. Designed by Apple in California. And here is the AirPods themselves. Oh, wow. Wow, guys. I mean, look at how small these AirPods are. Apple wasn't kidding, like they made the case a lot smaller. Oh wow, they've changed the packaging. It's more paper-like, I think. Yeah, it's definitely a lot more paper-like. I wonder if I can... Yeah, it's got like some little pull tabs here, which should better. Oh. These pull tabs don't seem to really work that well, do they? Too sticky, I believe. Oh, there we go. Oh, wow. I mean, I have the 3rd gens. Yep, here they are here. Because I have the active noise cancelling one, they have, USB-C. I think that's a microphone. I'm not too sure on the left side. On the right side, got a little speaker there for like playing sound and stuff. And with the 4th gen, the non-ANC, the non-active noise cancelling and with, they've removed the button. So let me get my AirPods 3rd gen and I'll show you. I have my AirPods 3rd gen out of its case. Here's the 3rd gens. I have it in a little case here. I'm going to take it out of its case and compare the size. Oh wow. The 4th gen, so much smaller. I thought the 3rd gens was smaller. But wow, I mean, the case has shrunk. Oh, and look at the back. Back is the same, except the 3rd gen has a like button to pair, whereas the 4th gen does not. Apparently, people tell me that there's an LED light on the front, which the LED light is also like a capacitive button or something. Yeah, let's open it and see. Yeah, it made a little sound there. Yeah. Oh wow, check out the design of this compared to the 3rd gens. Here's the design of the 4th gen, here's the design of the 3rd. Yeah, okay, so it's a definitely different design. Definitely different design for sure. Let me get one of them out. One of them's got earwax, don't mind. Just gonna get one of them out. Oh, the magnets seem to be stronger in the 4th gens. Okay, let's have a look at the design. So this is the 3rd gens, and we've got the 4th gen. Yeah, so Apple removed. So on the 3rd gen, there's like on the 3rd gens they have skin detection feature. With the AirPods 4, they don't. Apple removed that, and they replaced it with this thing called an optical sensor. So, yeah. And look at the 3rd gen. Look at the sort of. See, there's a little like tiny speaker grill or air vent on here. It's a lot bigger. I've got earwax on my thumb there. Anyways, let's have a look. In terms of size, I mean, they seem to be about the same size, I think. Maybe a little smaller. Let's have a look at the speaker grill though. It's more like oval shaped, I think. Compared to the 3rd gen, well, that was sort of an oval shape as well. Well, it's more like circle, whereas this is more oval shaped. Very interesting. And on the bottom, look at the silver bits. That instead of 2 silver bits on the bottom for the 3rd gen, it's like 3 now. 3 tiny little ones instead of like a semicircle type one, you know? Yeah, very, very interesting. So, yeah, that's about it. I mean, does the 4th gen fit in the 3rd gens? Technically, they do, and vice versa. I doubt it. Oh, what the heck? They technically do, vice versa. But yeah, I wouldn't do that though, because I wouldn't charge. You know, you have to put them. Yeah, there's the LED light there. Yeah, so that's, look at that. I mean, you know, 4th gen on the left, 3rd gen on the right. So they definitely have shrunken the case to make it smaller. You can feel the magnet. And let's see if it works with an Apple Watch charger. I'll have to bring my phone. Give me a second, guys. Let me grab my Apple Watch charger and see if that works. So here's my Apple Watch charger. This is it here. And let's see if I can get it to do it. Hold on. Give me 1 second, guys. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to try and hold it while. How am I gonna? So this is a bit of a hard process, but let's just see. Oh, it even makes a sound. That's cool. And it's got some sort of magnets in there to like hold it on the Apple Watch charger. Because look, that's not really... Oh, it's not strong magnets, but it has got some magnets on there to hold it. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching this video. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.